All right, these are my pork baby back ribs. I'm instantly coming in with some Kansas City barbecue sauce. And we're gonna smother our ribs onto our ribs. This is the easiest and the best way to cook your ribs, especially during the hot summer months. I'm gonna grab some classic yellow mustard, just add a little bit of that mustard into our rub. I personally love mustard on my ribs, but you can skip it if it's not your taste. Now for seasoning. Doesn't get any better than our buttery steakhouse. Beautiful. We have some black pepper. Paprika. Ooh, go light on that. And then lastly, some sea salt. Now I like to put it on top of the barbecue sauce so I can kind of massage it into the barbecue sauce and then transfer that barbecue sauce onto the other side. It makes seasoning it super easy. Okay, go ahead and all right, we're gonna grab our ribs and bring them to our air fryer. Okay, just kind of fold them. They should fit perfectly. All right, let's close this up. Turn on our air fryer. We're gonna do air fry. We want the temp to be at 400, and we are gonna set this to 20 minutes, and then after the 20 minutes, we're gonna flip it. Smells so good in here. Let's check them out. Oh, that looks incredible. Okay. So they cooked at 400 for 20 minutes, and then I flipped them and cooked them for another 10 minutes. Oh my, I'm way too excited. My mouth is watering. We're having baby back ribs tonight. Look at that beauty. Okay, time to cut our ribs. Look at that, perfectly cooked. So juicy, so perfectly cooked.
Is it good?
So juicy, tender, and flavorful.